Oh, turn that down. It's time for circle time. And look, it's a new month. It's January. What month is it? January. Say it with me. January. And today is January 4th, 2021. It's a new year. Woohoo! Okay. That's okay. All right. So let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Well, I wonder if you're going to be able to hear it, but you can. Let's see. Tell me if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Wonder what that's about. All right, let's sing it together. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Woo! All right, I think I figured it out. I think it is because I am plugged in to the sound system. This computer is plugged into the sound system. So if I unplug that, now say something. Nope, rats. All right, let me try one more time. Hold on.
Well, Miss Hill is.
Oh, hey, I hear you.
Miss Hill's muted.
You're muted. That's why. I know, but that's why I couldn't hear you when I talk. But I heard you, and I was right. Yay, me. All right. So today is Monday, January 4th, 2021. That's going to take a minute to get it right. And then remember, we are still having our remote preschool on Wednesday. All right, let's keep going on. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It's definitely not sunny out there.
I don't think it's sunny.
No.
Look outside. Look at the sky.
Can you see the sun? I can't even see the sun.
What is it? It's dark. It's dark outside.
Can you see the sun at all, Dalton? No?
No.
No.
Daddy's trailer's out there. But what's the sky? Is it sunny with clouds? Cloudy, rainy, windy, or snow? Snowy. It's what? Snowy. Snowy?
No snow. But there was snow on Christmas.
There was snow.
Magical Christmas. How about just cloudy because I can't see any sun? Okay, but how about tomorrow? What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Let's make a prediction. Put it in our square. Sunny?
Sunny.
Yes, all right. That sounds like a good prediction to me. All right, let's keep on going. We're going to say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Say it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, now we're going to count all the way to 15. Are you ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. All right. Let's count backwards from 10. Are you ready? We're going to start at 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Good job. All right, look at all of my things you see. Look at all of them. Can you find something that is green? Tell me something that is green. Disgust is green. Can you find something that is brown?
A Hershey bar.
A Hershey bar. I love it. All right. Can you find the oval?
What's the oval? What's the oval?
I can't see it.
You don't see it? No.
No?
It's green.
It's green, yeah. There you go.
Good job. How about the heart?
What's the heart? He's pointing to it.
Good. What color is it?
Pink.
Pink. That's right. Our nursery rhyme this week is a new one. It's 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Ready? I'm going to sing it. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. And then we have a couple different versions of this. Some of them say open the door. So let's watch a video about this one. Let's see if you can see it. Can you see it?
Nope.
Those emotions, they were put on hold by time, but at Claire's bridal week.
All right, let's see. Stop sharing. I went in and edited so that no matter what I was showing on my other one, you could see it. To figure out how I did that last time.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
That silly hen.
Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
Silly chicken. That's silly chicken. All right. It was a silly chicken, wasn't it? It was funny, wasn't it? All right. Let's keep on going. Okay, so now we're going to move on, and we are going to start talking about Mr. Matt and building the letter L. So we're going to sing a song first about Mr. Matt, and it is where we start our letters. So when we use Mr. Matt, and this is what he looks like, he can have a smiley face, or he can have a star. He's going to have one or the other. So we're going to start off with our smiley face. And this is, yep, and there's a star. And this is going to help us build our letters. So we have all of our letters that always start at the top of our mat. Here is the middle of our mat, and here is the bottom of our mat. So we're going to sing a song that talks about where we start our letters. So oops, wrong way. Let's try again. Let's sing that song. Oh, spinning. Spinning's not good. Hold on. I know you can hear it, but you can't see it, right?
Nope.
Okay.
That's funny.
All right, so here are the kids. They're starting the song. At the top, and they reach up high, because that's the top letter. Then you better remember to start it at the top and reach up high. All right. I got you. Letters, start your letters at the top and reach up. Start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Do you start your letters at the top? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down, and we touch the floor. We shake it in the middle, and we reach up high. Where do you start your letters at the top? And then we go Ahs. Ah. Ah. And we reach our hands up high. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Now we're going down. Reach down. Whoa, I'm almost falling. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, better remember to start it at the top. Go down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. At the top. All right. Let me stop that. Just gotta run again. It's so hard to toggle between so many things. Okay. All right. And that is the end, I believe. So what we're going to do is we're going to tomorrow start practicing making the letter L with our pieces. So we have big lines. If I can grab it. Goodness. It doesn't want to come with me. We have big lines and we have little lines. I know I'm going to have the same issue. I do what I can to make it fun. It's magic. See? It keeps grabbing the thing I don't want. All right.